You think adulthood is freedom. Until the bills come, the responsibilities hit, and you realize no one warned you about the emotional toll. Today, we're talking about the raw truth of adulthood, the struggles nobody tells you about. And stay tuned, because later, you'll hear a story from a celebrity who's been through the same struggles you're facing right now, and it might shock you. Welcome to Real Issues with UG, where we dive deep into the struggles, lessons, and raw realities of life. If you want to feel understood, inspired, and learn from real life experiences, you're in the right place. Let's get real. Why didn't anybody tell me adulthood would feel like this? Growing up, I thought it meant freedom. I thought it meant doing whatever I wanted, eating ice cream for dinner, staying up late without anyone telling me to go to bed. I thought it meant happiness, success, and maybe even living the dream. But no one warned me that behind the freedom is a weight that's heavy, invisible, and often crushing. Adulthood is waking up tired even after sleeping, because your mind has been running through bills, deadlines, and the quiet fear of not having it all together. It's realizing that independence doesn't always feel like freedom. It sometimes feels like loneliness. Nobody tells you that your childhood friends will scatter, that you might sit in your apartment scrolling through your phone just to feel connected, even when you're surrounded by people. Nobody tells you that the hardest battles won't be with the world, but with yourself. We don't talk enough about the silent pressure to figure everything out. The career, the finances, the relationships. It's like society expects you to build a perfect life from scratch, while inside, you're still trying to learn how to keep yourself afloat. There's a silent grief in growing up, too, the grief of losing the simple joys of being carefree. Some days, you miss the safety of your parents' home, the feeling that someone else would handle the responsibilities. But here you are, expected to carry it all. And here's the raw truth. Adulthood comes with a loneliness that isn't just about being alone. You can be in a crowded room, at a family gathering, or even in a relationship and still feel unseen, unheard, and misunderstood. Because as adults, we've mastered the art of pretending. We smile at work, we laugh on social media, we say, "I'm fine," when deep down, we're anything but fine. We've been trained to hide the struggle because we think everyone else has it figured out. But the reality, most people are quietly fighting the same battles behind closed doors. It's not just the emotional weight, it's the financial strain. Every paycheck feels like sand slipping through your fingers. Rent, bills, groceries, debts, it never stops. Nobody tells you that money can be both a lifeline and a prison. And it's not just about having enough, it's about the anxiety of not knowing if you'll ever truly feel stable. And the truth is, stability in adulthood is never as guaranteed as we thought it would be. Relationships change, too. The friends you thought would be with you forever drift away. Love becomes complicated, not just about butterflies but about compromise, patience, and effort. Sometimes it works, sometimes it breaks you. And family. Even family relationships can become strained, because adulthood forces you to see your parents and siblings not as superheroes, but as humans with their own flaws, traumas, and limitations. Why didn't anyone tell us that adulthood would be this heavy? Maybe because they knew we wouldn't be ready to hear it. Maybe because some truths you only understand when you live them. But here's the part nobody talks about enough. Yes, adulthood is hard, but it also grows you. It forces you to find strength you didn't know you had. It teaches you resilience, patience, and self-awareness. The nights you cry into your pillow, the days you feel like giving up, the moments you doubt yourself, those become the very moments that shape you into someone wiser, stronger, more compassionate. The truth is, no one can prepare you fully for adulthood. But maybe that's because the journey is meant to teach you. And while it's hard, harder than most of us ever imagined, it's also where the deepest lessons and the strongest versions of ourselves are born. So, if you're listening right now and you feel like adulthood is too much, I want you to know this: you're not alone. You're not failing. You're just human. And maybe that's the biggest secret about adulthood. They told us about the freedom, but they forgot to tell us about the fight. But here you are, still standing, still pushing, still becoming. And that is something nobody can take away from you. It's a world where the emotional, mental, and financial loads collide, and suddenly, the life you imagined seems much harder than expected. Many people, like Ada, a young woman who moved to a new city after college, discover this truth firsthand. She dreamed of independence and a life of opportunities, but reality hit hard. Juggling rent, bills, and a demanding job, while feeling isolated and lonely, left her questioning whether she was prepared for adulthood at all. Nights spent worrying and feeling overwhelmed became common, and she realized that no one had truly warned her about the emotional toll that comes with independence. Over time, Ada learned to set boundaries, prioritize her mental health, and seek supportive communities, discovering that resilience grows in the very moments that feel most challenging. Even celebrities face the hidden pressures of adult life. Selena Gomez, despite her fame and success, has shared her struggles with anxiety, depression, and burnout. The world often assumes that wealth and recognition make life easier, but the pressures of constant scrutiny, professional obligations, and personal growth can be overwhelming. Her openness about these struggles highlights a universal truth. Challenges in adulthood affect everyone, regardless of status, and acknowledging them is essential to navigating life with honesty and grace. From these stories, it becomes clear that adulthood is difficult in multiple dimensions. The mental and emotional load is real, and recognizing it is the first step toward managing it. Adults are often expected to carry invisible burdens, planning, decision-making, and emotional labor that accumulate in ways that can feel exhausting. Mindfulness, journaling, and moments of self-care are essential tools to navigate these pressures and maintain emotional well-being. Here's a detailed set of 7 lessons from the title, Why Nobody Told Me Adulthood Would Be This Hard. Lesson 1. Adulthood is harder than expected. Insight. Life after school isn't just freedom. It's responsibility, financial pressure, and emotional challenges. Solution. Acknowledge the difficulty and give yourself grace. Stop comparing your journey to others. Take things one step at a time and celebrate small wins. Lesson 2. Mental and emotional load is real. Insight. Adults carry invisible burden, decisions, planning, and emotional labor can feel overwhelming. Solution. Practice mindfulness, journaling, or meditation to manage stress. Set aside time for self-care and rest without guilt. Lesson 3. Financial pressure can be overwhelming. Insight. Managing bills, debt, and living expenses is a major source of stress for adults. Solution. Create a realistic budget, track expenses, and prioritize saving. Learn about financial literacy or consult experts if needed. Lesson 4. Relationships change. Insight. Friendships evolve, romantic relationships face new challenges, and family dynamics can become complicated. Solution. Learn to set healthy boundaries, communicate clearly, and invest in relationships that are reciprocal and supportive. Let go of toxic or unsustainable connections. Lesson 5. Loneliness is common but manageable. Insight. Feeling alone, even when surrounded by people, is normal in adulthood. Solution. Build or maintain a support system, join communities or groups aligned with your interests, and reach out to friends or mentors regularly. Lesson 6. Self-care is essential, not optional. Insight. Neglecting your own well-being leads to burnout, emotional exhaustion, and health problems. Solution. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, exercise, and hobbies. Schedule time for activities that recharge your energy and mental clarity. Lesson 7. Challenges can lead to growth. Insight. The struggles of adulthood are not just obstacles. They are opportunities for learning, resilience, and personal growth. Solution. Reflect on your experiences, learn from mistakes, and celebrate personal growth milestones. Embrace challenges as lessons that strengthen character and life skills. Adulthood may be hard, and sometimes it feels overwhelming, but you are not alone. Every struggle shapes you into a stronger, wiser person. Give yourself grace, embrace the journey, and remember that even in the hardest moments, growth and hope are always possible. Keep moving forward. If this video resonated with you, hit subscribe and join our community. Share your story in the comments, because on this channel, we explore real struggles, real stories, and real lessons together.